Originating in the southern Yangtze Delta and flourishing in the western Red Basin in Sichuan Province, University of Electronic Science and Technology of China, UESTC, as a pioneer, has been taking the lead in China's development of higher education for electronic information science and technology. It is regarded as the cradle of engineers for the nation's electronic industry. The beginning of UESTC goes back to September 1956. Its predecessor, Chengdu Institute of Radio Engineering, CIRE, was born from the merging of the electronic division's three best engineering universities. This was the Young Republic's first electronic information institute of higher education. In 1960, CIRE was recognized as one of the country's national key institutes. In 1988, CIRE was renamed University of Electronic Science and Technology of China. In 1997, the university became part of the state's Education Revival Project for the top 100 key universities, Project 211. In 2001, the university was admitted into Project 985 for the top 34 universities, receiving special support from the central government to build a world-famous university. In its over 50 years development, UESTC and its scientists have become the trendsetters of China's electronic information research and industry. In 1956, Liu Shengang was enrolled as one of the first postgraduates of the university, and 24 years later he was elected to the Chinese Academy of Sciences. As one of the pioneers of high-frequency microwaves, electromagnetic plasma, and the free electron laser, Liu is the first scientist from mainland China to win the Kenneth J. Button Prize, the world's highest award for outstanding contributions to the field of electromagnetic waves. Presently, he plays a leading role among leading Chinese scientists in the field of terahertz. This is Professor Lin-Wei Gan, member of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, whose academic career in the field of China's electromagnetism and microwave technology has lasted for half a century and sees no end even in his later years. He is known as the father of China's microwave technology. Professor Chen Xingbi, member of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a leading figure in the development of China's semiconductor power devices, has, since 1982, made great efforts in breaking through the traditional theory of limits. His three major inventions have brought forth fundamental improvements to power electronic devices. Professor Li Lemin, member of the Chinese Academy of Engineering and a leading figure in communications, has led a series of national key projects, and his enduring commitment to the research of optocommunications networks has contributed greatly to laying a solid foundation for further research. Professor Li Yanrong, also a member of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, has led a team of scientists and made outstanding achievements in the research and development of large-size, high-TC superconductive thin films and pyroelectric thin films and devices. Presently, Li and his team are conducting pioneering work on integrated electronic thin films and devices. All the way along its journey of development, UESTC has been sowing the seeds of success and harvesting bumper crops. The university now has 2 national key disciplines of the first level and another 6 key disciplines covering all the second-level disciplines in the fields of electronic science and technology and information and communication engineering. No other university in China has accomplished this. The 2 disciplines, electronic science and technology and information and communication engineering, respectively rank number 1 and number 2 in the National School of Higher Education first-level discipline evaluations of 2012. Lauded by Jiang Zemin, the former president of China, as the premier electronic institute for higher education, the university now boasts of a great number of scientific research platforms, including 5 national key labs. In the last 10 years, the university has altogether won 13 awards, including the National Science and Technology Progress Award and the State Technological Invention Award. The National Key Laboratory of Electronic Thin Film and Devices has become an important force for electronic information technology in China. At present, the lab has taken up more than 200 projects with annual research funding of over 100 million RMB. During the last 8 years, this lab has received 9 national awards and has had 40+ research results entered into mass or small batch production. Since 2001, the university has taken an active part in researching 4G mobile telecommunication technology and future mobile telecommunications. Today, the university has carried on with the key projects of research and development on new generation broadband wireless mobile telecommunication networks. Today, the university has carried on with the key projects of research and development on new generation broadband wireless mobile telecommunication networks. While consolidating its priorities in traditional disciplines, the university withholds no efforts in opening up emerging ones. The university has established several new schools: the School of Life Science and Technology, the School of Energy Science and Engineering, the School of Resources and Environment, and the School of Aeronautics and Astronautics. Among them, the 10-year-old School of Life Science and Technology has made great progress, which can be seen in its march towards studies of life sciences. Over the years, the university has maintained cooperative relationships with over 300 universities, institutions, and corporations in some 30 countries and regions. The university has established a sister relationship with the College of William and Mary, USA. It has founded UOG-UESTC Joint School in cooperation with the University of Glasgow and Montpellier Confucius Institute with the University of Montpellier II. It has joined hands with internationally famous corporations such as IBM, Intel, Microsoft, Motorola, and ADI, signing up scientific cooperation contracts and building over 50 joint laboratories. UESTC, in each historical period, has been receiving substantial support from the state. It always regards talent cultivation as its highest mission to distinguish UESTC as a research-oriented university with openness and unique disciplinary features. Actually, to many excellent high school students in China, UESTC is their dream university. One can see the achievements of the students. Among them, the champion of the Asia-Pacific Robot Contest, the champion of the American Mathematical Modeling Competition, the champion of the International Varsity Debate. One can see the achievements of the students. Among them, the champion of the Asia-Pacific Robot Contest, the champion of the American Mathematical Modeling Competition, the champion of the International Varsity Debate, the gold medalist of the ACM Programming Tournament for Asian International College students, the champion of the National Electronic Designing Tournament, and the outstanding award recipient of the National English Contest for college students. These are just a few examples. The students' troops' lively demonstrations on the stage are the best expression of their youthful spirit, their vitality, and their understanding of beauty. The university has initiated a new chapter for higher education of electronic information technology in China and stands at the forefront of our times. With the pursuit for truth, the zeal for science, and the yearning for the future, UESTC is embarking on a journey to a more brilliant tomorrow.